Alright guys, this is going to be part 4 of the welder tear down. I'm going to get a couple of the big panels over here on the table. I'm just going to try to bust all these down as far as I can into this welder, done and over with. Try to give you guys an end weight. Okay, we got the back panel here. What do we got here? It's like a fillet. And a straight tip. Cut that off like that. That out of there. Okay, that's the tightener. Reverse threads. No, maybe not. I don't know what them are made out of. It's stainless. Has to be. It's not magnetized and it ain't. It's hard. Is that tapped in there? A bunch of copper on that, so we'll process that here in a minute. Over there with my stainless pile. More wire. Okay, how's this frame put together? 2 bolts here. Don't look like there's anything valuable in here. Nope. Shred. Always one. Need a 12. That's 11. There we go. Somebody's welded that on there. Air chisel. Well, never mind. That'll work too. That's a different one. Okay. This, come out of that welder. I hope this threads into what I need, and if it does, that's gonna make me a good rod. Nope, it's not going to. Still working on this, guys. Haven't gave up on it, but nope, too small. Copper. That's aluminum. Okay. So, with this all being basically all aluminum, I'm going to air chisel these off and get the copper off there and send the rest. And we're going to use a big air chisel. Hopefully it works. Worked pretty good. And my brass rivets. Good clean copper there. We'll throw it into number 2 though, because it's painted. See what these will do. Yeah, what we're going to do, I'll cut it off like that and be done with it. There's some brass in there, but I'm not chasing that. No. These are all going to go into dirty aluminum. Right in there. Did save some brass rivets though. Hey, take it. In the brass bucket. Oh, I forgot about that too. No. That's got some weight to it. Let's see what the old air chisel do. Can do that. Yeah, I might still be at 11. Now this is what I was after.
Hola.
Brass. Hola.
Video?
Yeah, you're on video.
Hell yeah. You getting her done?
Yeah.
He was telling you bye. He's
Oh.
going to
Yeah.
See ya.
Later, man.
Later.
Be careful.
What'd you do? Steal my whole fucking refrigerator?
I gave you some bacon and hamburger from Troyer's.
Whatever, Mom, here.
And then we had some turkey club from Kelly's.
All right, have fun. I might see you tomorrow.
All right. See ya.
All right.
Bye, honey.
Daggone it. I was supposed to be keeping all that for you guys. Yeah. That's a heck of a piece of copper there. Nice big transformer. Throw that in the brass. There's all kinds of goodies on here too. Those of you who are not familiar with TIG welding, all TIG welders have what's called points in them. Right here's your points. They're basically solid silver. And you adjust these and or clean them. If your TIG welder ain't starting very well, if it's shocking you, or if it ain't starting very well on your high frequency start settings, clean these. Use one of your wife's fingernail files. You got to take these loose, open them up, put a file in there, file it, and then close them back up. I think you set them to about 35 thousandths. I'm not exactly sure, but clean your points on your TIG welder and it'll stop not arcing for you like it's supposed to. And these are silver, so those will go in my silver bucket. And then blocks that they're in are solid brass. I can tell by looking at these that these are pretty nasty. It might have been the issue with this actual particular welder, but it doesn't matter to me because I bought it to scrap it, so. They should not be all rusty like that. I might have to just take the whole block off, which I'm not going to be able to that way. Well, that got it off there. There we go. Whoops. Where'd that go? There it is. Brass. Nope, wrong bucket. Boy, that dude got some weight too. Okay, y'all. That's about it. What are you doing? I'm gonna chuck the rest of it right in there. And what we have over here is big extension cord and a ground lead that is brand new. I mean, it's brand new. Nice big ground on it. There's probably 20 pounds right there. We're gonna keep that for now. We'll lay it over here with all the other ones. That's all welder cord. I'm still not done. But get out of there. Brass, brass, brass. Okay. All right, y'all. It's gonna be the end of that one. Let's see what we got here. We have £107 and 108 pounds plus there's 123. At minimum, everything in this bucket will be number 2 as well. A lot of it will be bright and shiny. So, $142 minus 6.7. What else am I missing? Oh. Plus these 3.